Okay, so Casey's second SassyBloom box has just arrived, isn't it? We're going to open it up and see what's inside. Okay, so we've got our SassyBloom box with goodies in. And there's a big treat in the bottom for Casey. Can you see it? Let me take it out. What's this? What's this? It's a Bright Starts Learn and Giggle Fish. And it's suitable for 6 months plus. So that's good because that's what you are. And it says try me. Switch on. So let's try it. Ooh! What's that? I think somebody likes it. That to the side. Was it this beside you, darling? Let's have a look and see what's inside your box. You open it up. You open it up. That's it. Up we go. Ooh. Let's see. First of all, we've got a Mam first toothbrush. That'll come in handy because you've just got your first 2 teeth. So we can start to brush those. And some Munchkin infant spoons. We've already got some of these, but going through 3 meals a day, they'll come in handy, won't they? The new spoons. Yeah. What's this? Some Sophie the Giraffe SOS cream for the face and body. We haven't used any Sophie the Giraffe things yet, but I've heard they're very good. And you've got a bit of dry skin just now, so we'll try that. Hopefully it smells nice too. Oh, isn't that lovely? A personalised bib with Casey's name on it. Oh, look, and it's Velcro too, so that's good. Will we put this on? Beautiful, look, it's pink, it matches your outfit. Matches your outfit. And last of all, we've got my first signs book for baby sign language. And I know firsthand this is very good because I'm a nursery teacher and we use these in nursery. And they are very good for helping babies communicate. We'll have to practice some of these, won't we? We already used this one for eat. Casey! We'll need to try some of those out later. So I think that's a pretty awesome second box, isn't it, darling? We'll have fun playing with all these. You want to say thank you? You going to say thank